quiet now. Let's hope it would continue. Now, just I want to add this. I mean, I saw this lady. She's disabled in the neighbor. She's a white lady, British lady, British family, and she's disabled. I mean, she go and she use this machine. The mother of the house. Why they didn't talk to the council? It's irrelevant who you are, from where you are, which languages, regardless. I'm just saying. You are tired at 2. I'm definitely sure that she sleep at 10. Normally. I mean, where is your family? Why the family didn't talk to the council? I stopped them from opening the music after a lot of screams and fight. After 12 or after 1. Loud music. I stopped them. I stopped. It consumed me. Why do I need to do this? To wage war for my right? And I'm just wondering, the neighbors didn't complain? And I'm not gonna say that she did this, but it's almost like she's trying to ignore. When I went outside, she didn't want even to look. Now maybe I'm exaggerating, but because I'm not that stupid. Is it because these boys here from the council, all of them are? I'm not, definitely they're a nice family. I met the father and the other son. Hi, good day, how are you? That's it. Smiling. But I can recognize that she's maybe doing like this. You and your noise, you just don't want her to sleep. Okay, why don't you complain? And then she sit at the chair. Maybe she's thinking about, but if I was in her position, I would say, who's those dirty fuckers? I'm sorry to use my term. These sick freaks. All this noise at 2 and 3 and 4 a.m. Within the week. And within all day, loud music. I don't want to stay in this house. Do you hear me? I have started reaching this level. I don't want to stay here. Me. This is how it is. How? You know what? At the beginning, the first days, it was a wonderful thing. Wonderful thing. I enjoyed it. I was happy, and I start telling people that I'm living in a room right now. They give me a room. A'udhu billah. Now, seriously, I'm just thinking about this problem. How can I complain tomorrow? I wasn't planning to sit and write things today. No. Why you don't want to be considerate? This is how it is. I'm not, I don't know. Am I wrong? But I'm just wondering why you did not complain. You don't care about your own mother? I said, they're fine. Family with together. Beautiful, nice people. Okay. Complain. Regardless of the mother, but I didn't. I'm not saying she's a wonderful lady. I said once, good afternoon. She just. It's maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is her personality, but I would understand. If I was in her shoes, if I were in her position, this noise, all of this noise. Of course, they don't smell the smoke. This is my case right now. The cigarette smells. It's a ruined day. It's not enough that the home office is ruining my life. Yeah. They're ruining. No. Because it's a political issues concerning this home office and how they deal with asylum seeker. Okay. And other things to do with the solicitors. No solicitor won't take my... I'm not going to change anything. This is the case. And the court, it's not enough a place where I can stay and relax. No. You're going to smell the cigarettes? I'm almost allergic right now to cigarette. Wallahi, I cannot. I didn't stop because it's bad for my health. No, because I have a problem in my chest. Now, morning I wake up, 2 things. Once because of the cigarettes, and I close. I can't. You smell the cigarette. And once for the music. But how can I deal with this? This video is why they didn't complain. I'm wondering, but because maybe ignore what I said about the mother. The mother, she's a disabled woman. What? She sit at this chair. It's almost like it's like she's saying it's not enough my disability, it's the noise at night. I'm gonna complain tomorrow. I don't like complaining, and you don't know what sort of reactions right now. Why you complaining? People think that they are. I don't know what to say. It's a therapy this video, good to explain. Tomorrow I'm gonna complain. أما الله يجعل ذي الليلة تعدي على خير. May Allah make this night go in a smooth way.